before getting started, I want to share with you guys my lash site. So here is Bliss Lashes and how it looks like. It is so cute. I love all my lashes that I share with you guys. We do have this new lash called Sassy, and then this is my favorite one, which is Dreamer, and then this one is sold out currently, Fairy Tale. It will be back in stock soon. And then we do have Self Love back in stock as well. So if you guys get a chance, make sure to check it out. The link will be down in the description bar. Follow, support, and shop if you guys love lashes as much as I do. They are super cute and I love them. They're very affordable, only $8, and I will do shipping really fast. Alright, so this is how the home screen looks like. We just have this super cute dainty hearts, blue and pink kind of gradient effect going through, and then the icons look like this. It's just that pretty color combo, and then I really enjoy when the icons look kind of like this, kind of squared off, very eligible to kind of visually see, and then as for when I go down, it is pink. Love this. And then when I go to messaging, our messaging is so cute. It looks like it has just a lot of little hearts in the background. Love that. Super simple but cute. And then for our keyboard, we just have a light pink and darker pink combination. Super pretty. And then as for our phone, it's so cute and dainty, super appropriate for the month of February and spring. So we just have this very beautiful, I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but it's a very beautiful blue and pink effect. And then we have some hearts, as well as for our home button here, it is a heart as well. And then as for the other icons, this is how they look like. And then our folders turn into a white color. Our clock, ooh, how pretty. It's a gradient effect as well, and then like a pink. And then our calculator is a solid pink color. And as far as our calendar is also pink, really cute. And then back to our home screen, down here is also a cute little heart as well. And then for our lock screen, it is a pink and blue gradient with like little hearts going across and down. Such a cute little touch. Very simple, but I actually really like this. I feel like it is very universal. And then let's see, as far as, oh, how cute, it does have it. I wasn't sure, but there is an iris scanner with pink hearts and a pink and blue gradient effect. Very cute. And as far as always on display, here we go. Oh my gosh, guys. So it says, I think you're from another world. I'm always on your side. How stinking cute is this? Can't believe this theme is free. I absolutely love it so much. I'm obsessed. I love the little touches of the iris scanner and then the always on display. So I will be using this image right here. This is for my lock screen. So it is a purple toned lock screen with clouds, a heart, and then like a moon. I love this aesthetic. And then we have You Are Beautiful right here in the color, like kind of like a lavender color. And I'm going to add this to the home screen. I feel like this one is going to look super cute with the hearts, and I just love the color combination. So I will be adding that right now and showing you. Alright, here we are. So this is the super cute image. So it says You Are Beautiful, like I showed you guys, and I love how this looks. It just looks so pretty, clean, chic, but super girly as well, and it goes really well with this whole aesthetic and icons. And then here is the lock screen. So the lock screen is so cute. Yes, goals. So this goes very well with the icons like I mentioned down here. Look at them. And then we just have this like very eye-catching, pleasant kind of vibe going on. And I feel like it also looks really well with the always on display since it's like a heart. There we go. and then it just adds everything together and brings it in really nice. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys liked this video, got some inspiration, got some ideas. I will be posting more videos and more phone themes for you guys, so stay tuned for that. And thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!